How to win races in Need for Speed. If you are tired of losing races, here's how to start winning every time in Need for Speed right on your phone. So let's start our Need for Speed. First of all, tap onto the garage icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. Then you can upgrade your engine, nitro and tires. A strong car makes every race easier. At the countdown, tap the gas right before go for a perfect launch and early speed advantage. Use nitro on straight stretches or right after drifting. That's when it gives you the biggest speed boost. Drift throughout corners by holding the brakes while turning. It builds nitro and keeps momentum. Play each track a few times. Knowing where to drift, boost, or avoid obstacles makes all the differences. And that's how to win race in Need for Speed on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.